Coming to the arena, it is the #1 car. It is a modified driven by Dave Henry out of Willow, California, sponsored by Triple D Engine Safety Tires. It's a 61 Ford Galaxy. It might not look like that when it's over. Next up, car number 38. Car number 38, Austin Emery, again out of Willows, 63 Ford Galaxy. We're going to stick here with our modifieds as we bring them in, and we told you $20,000 on the line. There's going to be 2 classes of cars. Light welded, limited, and modified. Car number 27, that's Lance Smith out of Redding, California. Says thank you to PCJ Engines, Jackson and Tehama.